What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. Oh yes, yes. Red and I, we're on a bro date. Yes, a bro date. We chilling today. We out for lunch at our favorite spot in San Diego we like to come to called Barrio Dog. You guys think you have the best hot dog spots in your area? No, you don't. No, you don't. This place is legit. And come on now, where can you get something as magnificent as that with a nice michelada? Ooh, splendid. Red hasn't gotten his food yet. When it comes, it's gonna look scrumptious. Scrumptious. Well, let's get into the vlog, guys. All right, this vlog, I'm gonna be a narrator today because what happened, you guys saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, happened to the steering wheel, made me upgrade. Yes, I had to upgrade, but which is a good thing to the R8. But some crazy things happen while we're getting this thing done. Nothing happens perfect when it comes to skinny style. You know, something dramatic has to go on in order for me to get my upgrades, and for me in order to upgrade the Batmobile. It's never perfect, right? Never turns out perfect. So, let's take this part one. The upgrades arrive. You'll see the journey. You'll see when it happens. But here we go. Let's get into it. The vlog, upgrades to the Batmobile, part one of the one vlog?
Yes.
Something kind of like that. Part one, let's get into it. Let's go. Oh, is that? Yes, it is. Next upgrade for the Batmobile. Let's get it. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. I'm your host, Skinny, as you guys know. On my way to AW Designs. For what? Yes, upgrade is coming. Yes, it is. Right now. Let's go. Sorry guys, I get hot flashes when I hear them, when I hear the snap crackles, pops, and the loud exhaust. It gets me hot.
A few moments later.
I'm here, guys. I'm feeling a little lonely though. I feel like I need a partner. I need help. I need a buddy. So you know what? Let me call Red real quick. Let me call Red. Hey man, can you come hang out? I'm really lonely right now. Okay, I'm gonna teleport you. You ready? All right. 1, 2, 3.
That's crazy, dog.
I got you here quick, huh?
Yes, you did.
I got powers. Your boy Skinny's got powers. Like a genie with no wishes.
No wishes.
I'm here, AW Designs. We about to get it in. I'm not gonna snake you guys on the upgrade. Can't wait for you guys to see it. It's gonna be phenomenal. Spell that word for me. Go ahead, spell it. Phenomenal. All right, Red, which one do you take?
I mean, if we're talking about my bank account, I'm taking the yellow one, but my dream would be the Ferrari.
Okay, let's say your bank account is in good health. It's in good health. What do you take?
The R8.
Ooh, okay. Hey, slamming choice. Give it to me. But you don't like the Porsche, man? You don't like the Panamera? The family car, the family Porsche?
They talking about families. Cut it off.
Okay, we're back. Okay. So you don't like the bigger car that you can fit more people in the back, Porsche Panamera?
Nah, I still like the R8.
Okay, yeah. I don't blame you. Smart man, I like the R8 too. Smart man. Been here before?
I've never been here before.
Oh yeah, this is the I call it the Frankenstein garage in a good way. He's always got projects, man. Always got goodies. Always has goodies. Like this thing is just, yeah, Frankenstein.
So I come here if I need a LS swap for the Fiesta, right?
Ooh, LS swap. Look at you. This guy, he's been doing some research. What? But what we're here for, upgrades, yes. Steering wheel, carbon-tastic steering wheel. It's right here, guys. It's right here. Yes. Installation in full effect. Yes, it is. All right, guys. I'm not going to snake you too long. I'm going to show you what it looks like. But you got to see it on because it looks amazing. So don't go click the video off because I'm showing you a sneak peek. But it looks amazing. Did you think I was going to show you? You know I got to make you wait. You got to wait. What do you think?
I can't wait to get my own.
You know what I'm saying? Pound it. R8 crew. R8 crew will be coming soon to a street near you. Dang. That is a bar. Record deal. Hit me, I'm telling you. Hit us up, right?
Right.
Not West Side connection, light skin connection. Hit us up, right?
Yep.
We drop bars all day long. Sorry, mouth is full. 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, guys, that's where the first scene ends. First scene. Unfortunately, I didn't film the rest of the scene, so scene 1 is technically the only scene. Well, not really, because we're gonna flash the upgrade, so it'll be scene 3.
Yeah.
2. I can't count today. But hey, let me explain what happened. Went over to AW Designs to get the upgrade put on, to get the steering wheel put on. Ran into some hiccups. We had a hard time getting the wheel off, a hard time getting some of the buttons off, and you know, it just doesn't happen that easy. It was being stubborn. It did not want to come off. Long story short, we got the wheel off. It was getting late. I had to work the next morning, so I went home, came back the next day, started taking off some of the parts, some of the controls to transfer over to the new upgrade, and we broke some wires. Yes, we did. And we had to wait a few more days to get new wires in because we broke it. It's cheap little plastic, came off, and we had to do what we had to do and put it back together and then get some help. Yes, we had to get some help. So thank you, Eric, to my boy Eric at Carbontastic. He owns the company, runs the company. If you guys need a steering wheel, I'm telling you right now, when you see mine, it's gonna blow you away. Nasty. But thank you, Eric, for helping me out. He met me up at PFS, helped me install the wheel, helped me get it in, helped me set it up, and it freaking looks amazing. I love it. How do you like it, Red?
It's beautiful.
Should we show them?
Come on.
I'm not gonna snake you guys anymore. Let's get to the reveal of the upgrade to the Batmobile, the Carbontastic steering wheel. Without further ado, let's get it. Woohoo! You see them flashing lights, baby, on the steering wheel? What do you think? What do you think?
Perfecto. Perfecto.
Perfecto Mundo. All right, you guys, we pulled over in the block, in the hood, just to get some photos of the Batmobile. Ooh, how sexy. And how sexy is that backdrop? Hey, shh, be quiet over there. Shh. Hey, tell your homeboy to stop barking.
I ain't going over there.
Look at this backdrop. Tell me it's not sexy. It's sexy. We got some fire pics coming for the gram.
Oh yeah, for the gram.
For the gram. But most important news, Red. Shh. Most important news. How do you feel about the steering wheel?
Bro, I need to get one for the Fiesta. Come on, man.
You trying to upgrade the Fiesta. You guys, let's check. Let's get a better look. Let's get a closer look. Let me tell you what I did here. All right, my boy Eric at Carbontastics. We got, whoo, the Alcantara on the sides. Yes, we do Alcantara. I went with the carbon fiber top and bottom of the steering wheel with the green stitch. Yes, to match what? Yes, to match the badges on the outside, and a future wrap coming soon. Yes, coming soon. But most important, woo, we got the shift light. The shift light. Also got the matching suede / Alcantara steering horn cover right here with the carbon fiber paddles with the green to match. I mean, here's my view. Here's my view. What I'm driving. Tell me that's not fresh. If you don't say that's not fresh, you ain't fresh. Because guess what? That's fresh.
F-E-R-S.
Huh?
F-E-R. Oh no, yeah, you're right.
Okay. Take two, huh? Take two. That's fresh. Cause if you ain't saying that's fresh, you ain't fresh.
F-R-S.
Oh my God. Dude, Google it, man. Pull your phone out.
Fresh. F-R-S.
Can you Google it, please? Take three. If you don't say this is fresh, you ain't fresh. This is fresh.
F-R-E-S-H.
Fresh.
Fresh.
There we go, man. Just like the Skinny's Real spelling bee. My man over here is trying to spell fresh the hood version. What do you guys think though? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of the new steering wheel. I love it, man. I think it adds some sauce to the Batmobile. Fall in love with your car all over again with these small mods, but this is like, oh, no idea how good this feels in palm of my hands. Wait, I mean, how else do I say that? It feels good with the touch of my hand. Wait.
You're alone on this one.
Okay, guys, it just, the grip feels.
I told you you're alone.
Okay, let me try this again. I love the way this thing feels in my hand. It feels smooth and. Okay, it feels great, guys. It has great grip. You can turn really easy. Okay, I give up. All right. You guys get my point. The steering wheel is amazing. I love it. Once again, Eric, thank you, man. Thank you for the steering wheel, of course. Appreciate it. The work is amazing. Thanks for helping me install, finishing the install. I had some issues before. Oh, it's never easy for Skinny. Nothing's ever easy in Skinny's world. That's why I bring everybody along to my world, Skinny's world. But hey, if you guys need a steering wheel, hit up my boy at Carbontastics. He's on Instagram, all over the place. Great quality, amazing service. Thank you, Red, for tagging along.
Always.
Batman and Robin, found it. Another one for the team. And hey, until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this mod and this upgrade. We got more coming. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit that subscribe button right there. Yes, right there should be your subscribe button. Smash it, pound it. Another one for the team. Enjoying the movement, guys. And just like that, Skinny's World.
We out.